Okay, today we're gonna try the Rainforest Adventure. You go up the side of the mountain in a chairlift and you come down one of three ways, either back on the chairlift or with a series of zip lines or this seat swing that kind of comes down. We'll see which one I'm brave enough to do.
We paid at the hotel all four. Yes or
Yeah. Hey, Steve.
Just shooting this in case of the last video I gave you. So.
Well, Steve, where are we today?
Okay, we're at that Rainforest Adventures in Saint Martin. You see that? Chairlift going way up, way up. And then some of us, like you, are going down on like can't really call it a zip line. What do you call it?
Flying Dutchman.
Flying Dutchman. You sit there and you kind of roll. And we're just going to ride back because I'm old and concerned. So we are here at the base of the hill, and we're going to take a chairlift, go up to the top of the hill, where Kelly, the brave one, is going to kind of ride down. We'll probably take the chairlift back unless I get some bravery up there. We'll see. There we go.
Get of each other.
Yeah. Later, Poppy.
Well, no, this isn't mine yet.
This is KEE to travel. We plan to meet them at the top. Let's see how this goes.
Bye, cruel world.
It's like we're at Blue Mountain here.
Oh, we don't need it.
Snow tube right ahead.
Hey, baby.
Hi, sweetheart.
Where's Kelly back there?
You can hear her voice.
It's very peaceful. You get off here if you're going for the schooner tubing. But we're still going up, way up. We're getting way up now. We're getting close to our first drop-off point before the second chairlift over there. Stay tuned. Look who's coming. And here's our next ascent up.
Right?
Bye, guys.
See you.
Incredible.
Wow, and there's the airport.
Yeah.
Isn't that cool?
So cool.
And we're up. And we're down. Wow. In the distance, you can see the runway from the airport over towards our resort. And oh, look at these people. They let anybody up on this ride. Getting ready for the big adventure?
Getting ready. Scoping it out.
I think you could do it.
What about you? No. You are brave.
Let's go down here. Or?
Yeah, no, go down right by the bar. Down by the bar, go down. And away they go. And there's the airport.
You're really cool for the plane coming.
This is our first stop down here before they all the way down, right?
That's right. Hi.
That's like when you
Those are the little ones, eh?
when you change trains and you're on your way home on the last trip.
Yeah.
Now, while I did not actually take the Flying Dutchman down, did enjoy this Rainforest Adventures, and we'll get some comments from the girls who did go down shortly. What do you, how about you? What do you think of this?
I think the view is spectacular. It's a really good setup. The customer service and all the kids that work here were really friendly.
Yeah, they were great. Yeah, so we've had a great time here, and I would recommend it. So,
Yeah, conquering the zip line.
That's great.
and you were okay?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Just the drop, and then it was like smooth.
Okay.
I twisted,
Yes.
Yeah,
but it was
that's
very
the wind.
smooth. Like it almost like okay, it's gonna go faster.
Oh, you're very brave.
And who got down first?
Very comfortable. I did because I had my arms in. So
I was flying
Yeah,
out
she was-
like
yeah,
this.
so it makes it go slower.
Yeah, I created a slower method. But we got the t-shirt, so.
Ah, good for you.
Good. Okay.
So it's good to get to this place early, and we paid about $70 US a person just to be able to go up and down. You could get beer or drinks up there. What was yours, Kelly, with the
It was $99.
see, so
94.
99, 94. So just look online and you can find it. It's a great adventure.